Hey honey buns, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to MGL Home and Garden. So y'all, this is gonna be a quick Walmart haul, okay? So y'all know how I do. I show y'all my Walmart hauls, or nope, no, not just Walmart, my grocery hauls or whatnot, or whatever type of hauls that I got, in hopes that I show you something that you want to try, you hadn't had in a long time, and you thinking about, trying it out or whatnot. That's what we do over here. Along with the gardening and whatever, just home and garden, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn y'all around and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the couple of items that I got. Like I say, this is gonna be like just a quick little shopping haul. Y'all do know I batch record, so you may get videos with me in the same clothes because I am batch recording. I'm doing a lot of batch recording, okay, because that helps me and I can keep this footage coming out for y'all, giving y'all ideas, encouraging you and motivating you, okay, because that's what it's all about, right? So let's go ahead and get into this little haul, y'all. All right, y'all, so right here I got a thing of this Gain washing powder, okay? I love washing powder. I think it just, because it brings back to what I used to see people use when I was growing up, a lot of washing powder. Like you would see people would go get that Sun and all that. Now in my household, my grandma used to always use Joy dishwashing liquid to wash clothes, okay, and bleach for the white clothes, all right? And so, but you see everybody else with like this washing powder or whatnot. And I like the pods. I don't care for liquid too much, even though I buy it, but I use so much that, the liquid goes by quick. But the washing powder, I use a lot of it. I have to scale back because it leaves like that little white residue on the clothes and I got to rewash them. So I have kind of figured out to do a little bit of washing powder with a little bit of dishwasher liquid. And that gets my thought process of going, hey, my clothes is going to be clean, okay? So I got this Gain powder, washing powder. Then I picked up a thing of the Free and Delicate dryer sheets. I cannot do dryer sheets or softeners with scents. No, it's gonna be too strong and it messes with my allergies, okay? Over here, I ended up picking up this Clorox Scentivia, and I still have to do our cleaning video for y'all, okay, that I told y'all I was gonna do. So I will do that. But I picked up this Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. It's Scentivia, and this is, y'all, this is the cherry blossom and peach, okay? Cherry blossom and peach. Look at that. Oh yeah. So they are coming out with, I haven't even seen this in no scent before, okay? So yeah. So next, they didn't have the scrub and bubble ones I like, but I do use these. I always, when I clean my toilet bowl, I stamp one of these in there, and this lasts so long. So this is the Lysol brand. Like I said, they didn't have my scrub and bubble ones like the one that I normally would get, but that is okay, all right? That is okay. The Lysol one works just as good, okay? All right, so let's go ahead. I had got two things of this Done dishwashing liquid. But I already started using one. I already started filling up stuff. The other one is right here, and you'll see I already started using it. All right, so yeah. Next, I picked up two things of, I hate buying razors, y'all, because when I was able to do my couponing with the manufacturer coupons, I didn't have to buy these things. But yeah, I don't like hair on me, so I had to buy them, okay? So I got two things of the big Silky Touch razors, all right? Then right here is Fabuloso. So y'all know I had been telling y'all about the peach one that I got, and they got some new scents out. Well, they knew because I ain't never seen these scents. So I went on and picked up that watermelon like I told y'all I would. I picked up the watermelon and I picked up the pineapple, okay? If you know me, you know I love my Fabuloso, all right? So that's why I got two of those. Then over here, let's see. I picked up, I'm gonna come to this side. I picked up some body wash. Dial body wash. Okay, I love the gold. Oh, sorry, y'all. I love the gold. It's the antibacterial dial body wash. I feel like everybody should have this in between you showering with like your scented stuff. Always try to use some antibacterial soap in between your showers to, help get any bacteria or anything in your skin, because when you use a lot, like I love the honey and milk Suave, I think it's Suave, but that stuff have a lot of sugar. Seem like sweetness, sweet scents, like in it, and you want to make sure you cleanse your skin, because that stuff can set up different things on your skin or whatnot. So I always have liked the Dial antibacterial. So just like if you use this maybe twice a week, showering every day twice a week, and then use, your other ones or whatnot, change it up or whatnot. But hey, that is on you. But that's what I like. I got a thing of toothpaste, and this right here is St. Ives oatmeal and shea butter. I wanted to try this. I used to always use St. Ives. I love their body wash. So yeah, so I got the oatmeal and shea butter. Okay, so this is just like, we'll stock up on my body wash. All right, so I can move it the way I want. Now, right here, no, I do not have a cat. I don't have a cat. Not at the moment, but this is some little donations to some cats. Okay, to some cats. So I will be donating this cat food. I bought some cat food, and I bought these little things, and I bought these little skin and coat healthy. This is like a donation for like the stray cats or whatnot, the little kitty cats, kittens and whatnot. So I bought some stuff just to have to take for them. Now y'all do know I got Summer, so I picked Summer up some more of these Munchie Bones that she like, and I got the peanut butter flavored ones. Okay, so she love those. I put those over there with her snacks, and I feed her hard food, but from time to time I will get her like a couple cans of soft food, just to come on, like, oh, tonight you're gonna have soft food, even though her hard food stay down 24 hours for her to be able to get whatever she want. This is like a little different. They'll change it up a little bit for her. So yeah, that's what I ended up doing for this haul. Okay, so I told y'all I was going to be short. All right, it was going to be sweet because that's what I ended up getting. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and you hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I shall see y'all in the next one. If the show was well, y'all please be safe. Love y'all. Bye.